Okay, the next part is when the cat touches the ball, then the win text will appear. Otherwise, the moment the game starts, the win text should not appear. Okay, so we move our cat back to the center of the screen, and then we go and click on the W. Remember, the W, I, and N are all separate sprites, so we're going to have to program each of them separately. So the first step in programming them is to add a simple script when green flag clicked. So we drag that across. So the moment the game starts, these three sprites must be hidden. So when green flag clicked, go to looks and click or select the hide piece. Simple. So the moment the game starts, the W will be hidden. Let's do the same thing for the I. Events. When green flag clicked, looks, hide. Sweet. And same with the N. Events tab. When green flag clicked, looks, and hide. So let's check our three sprites again. With the W, when green flag clicked, hide. With the I, again, hide. And with the N, hide. Alright, let's stop our scripts and start. See what happened? The moment we start our game, these three letters, the W, I, and N, are automatically hidden. Now the next step is to add a script that will cause the three sprites to appear on the sky when the cat touches the ball, because when the cat touches the ball currently, it doesn't say anything, it doesn't do anything. So to do this, we go to the beach ball, click on it, and we adjust its script slightly. Now, what the beach ball is going to do is, when it detects right here, if touching sprite 1, so it detects that the cat is touching it, it's going to send out what we call a broadcast message. It's like saying to all the other sprites on the screen, hey, the cat is touching me. And the other sprites can receive that message and react to it. It's like when a mom calls out to the family that's all over the house, in the garden, in their rooms, and she says, dinner's ready. So everybody hears that. That's a broadcast message. Everybody hears that, and then they come in for dinner. So in the same way, the ball will send out a broadcast message, hey, the cat is touching me. So what happens then? When the broadcast message goes out, then these three guys will receive that broadcast message, and then they will appear. So they will remain hidden up until the time that they receive that broadcast message. So to send out the broadcast message, we go to the Events tab. Alright, and here towards the bottom, it says Broadcast Message 1. Alright, let's drag that piece across. And where shall we put it? We'll put it between the two arms of the if piece, just below hide. Remember, we are in the script for the ball. You'll see the ball at the top here, at the top right corner. That shows we're in the script for the ball. Alright, so we put it below the hide and drop it. So it's going to broadcast a message. Now what message is it going to broadcast? Now we can set it to broadcast just about any message we want. So we click on the down arrow and we select New Message. When you select that, it gives you a dialog box, and here you can type the name of the message. We'll give it a name of Win and click on OK. So cat touches ball, ball disappears, and ball sends out a broadcast message that says Win. Now the next step is for our three sprites W, I, and N to receive that broadcast message and to react to it. So let's go back to the W and we'll add a little script, which is this one. When I receive win, so we drag this piece across. So when I receive broadcast message called win, which is the one we just created, then what is this W going to do? You guessed it. It's going to show. When I receive broadcast message win, show. Let's do the same with the I. Events. When I receive broadcast message win, looks, show. And same with the N. Receive broadcast message win, looks, and then show. Hopefully this is going to work. Let's bring our cat back to the center of the screen, stop the script, restart, and test. Very good. So the cat touches the ball, the win appears. Let's test this again. We move our cat back to the center of the screen, stop, restart. Again, immediately the win hides away, and we can start our game. And when the moment the cat touches the ball again, the win text reappears.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.